Alright, so we just dealt with the letter C. We graphed it out and everything. So now we're going to go ahead and deal with the letter B. Now this one, as you can see, it's on the inside of the parenthesis. It's going to be either inside parenthesis or inside of the absolute value bar. So it's going to be on the inside. So with this, the letter B is going to move the function, the whole function, left or right. It's going to move it left or right. The whole function left or the whole function right. So with that, if we're moving the whole function left or right, that means if, and this one here, it actually does it opposite of what you think. So if we're dealing with, and again, I'm going to write this here. It's going to be opposite of what you think. So with this, if B is positive, you normally think if it's positive, it's going to the right because the right side has all the positive numbers. But here, again, it goes opposite of what you think. Opposite of what you think. So if it's positive side for the right, that means here it's going to be left. So the whole function moves left. Oh. The whole function will move left. And if B is negative, again, you would think it would be on the left side, but it goes opposite of what you think. So this is going to move right. So positive moves left, negative moves right. Positive moves left, negative moves right. So it's opposite of what you think. And also I'm going to throw this in here too, because this is kind of important. Because I said it, but I'm going to make sure you have it written down too. So B will be on the inside. Of the function. So that could mean inside the parentheses or absolute value bars. It's value bars. So absolute value bars. So B will be inside no matter what. So don't mess it up and say, well, I wasn't sure where B was because like up there I can't tell which one it is. It's always going to be on the inside every single time. Always. Always, 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 always. Okay, so it's on the inside. So if it's positive, it moves left. If it's negative, it moves right. Opposite of what you think. All right, so let's go to example 3 and let's go and deal with that. And again, we're going to tell the parent graph. The parent function, sorry. And list the transformation. Okay, so with this one, we're going to start off with an A. We're going to say g of x equals the absolute value of x minus 3. And again here, g of x, same thing as saying h of x, same thing as saying f of x. They're the exact same thing. That just means it's a function. All right, so looking at this part, what is the name of this function? What's the parent function here? And we have the absolute value bars, so we know we're dealing with absolute value function. Okay. And now the only other thing is figuring out whether we're dealing with going left or going right. And that deals with what's going on the inside right there. This part right here. So it's a -3. So we said if it's negative, normally we'll go to the left because the negative side is on that side. But here we're going to go to the right. So it goes opposite of what you think. So normally you would say on a number line, and just for my visual learners, 0's in the middle, positive numbers are over here, negative numbers are over here. And so you would think, okay, since it's a -3, it will come over here. Remember, it's opposite of what you think. So that means it's not left, it's right. Opposite. So the inside is on the opposite. Okay, and then B, we have f of x equals this function here. All right, and then we just have to figure out, okay, first off, what's the parent function? We got that symbol right there that tells you. That's the square root function. And then again, the number on the inside tells you what direction to move and how far. So that part right there. So that's a +5. So remember, it goes opposite of what you think. So it should go here. So normally the positive is right here. But again, we're going opposite. So it means it's on the left side. And that's it. That's all it is for B. Left to right. That's all. Don't make it hard, please.